Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the iPad is updated and Bluetooth is enabled so pairing protocols match. Put AirPods Max awake and charged. Low battery can block discovery. Hold the headphones close to the iPad and open Settings or Control Center, then tap Bluetooth. You need to press and hold the noise control button until the LED flashes white. This forces discovery mode. Once done, the iPad will scan. Make sure no other nearby Apple devices are actively connected to the headphones, so the iPad can claim the connection. When the AirPods Max appears in the iPad's Bluetooth list, tap its name to start the handshake. You'll see a pairing prompt and maybe a trust dialog. Accept these so the iPad exchanges keys for secure audio. The iPad and headphones negotiate profiles, A2DP and HFP, for high-quality sound and mic use. Once the status shows connected, open Control Center audio output to confirm the route is set to AirPods Max. If you want spatial audio, enable it here. Otherwise, you're ready to use them. Finish by testing playback and the microphone in a call to verify profiles. Toggle noise control and spatial audio to confirm feature negotiation. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods Max by holding the noise control button and digital crown for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears previous device ties. Make sure to restart the iPad or turn Bluetooth off and on to refresh the cache before trying again. These steps clear conflicts and usually resolve stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.